these wrong tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, and open description and click on this link and open Fly and this website and click on this and write Democratic Republic of Congo and click on this Democratic Republic of Congo and high-speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, and 1 GB 7 days, 30 GB 2 weeks 1 day, and 5 GB 30 days. Right, and click on this 5 GB 30 days and buy to eSim, this discount, buy 4 SIM and the discount, and buy 6 eSIM and 25% discount. Very good, very good. Okay, and buy this eSIM and send you QR code and scan this QR code and open settings and install eSIM. Right, and click on buy it now and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount and this $4.20, right, and this good discount, and click on Google Pay and use Google Pay or contact, write email and scroll down payment, write card number, date, security code, name of card, and write down, scroll down billing address and select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone, and click on pay now and send your email address, QR code, eSIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback help me. Bye bye.